how to view PPC data on your tracked keywords. Why is this important? How can it make you money? Probably one of the most actionable things that you'll ever do based on your keyword ranks is your Amazon advertising, right? How do you get ranked at all? Well, you got to be advertising for the keyword, get some sales, and your organic rank goes up. What if you see in Keyword Tracker your organic rank falls? What is the action that you take? Well, you might want to increase your bid on that keyword so that you show up a little bit higher in the search results, right? So PPC, Amazon advertising, is closely related to your keyword ranks. Let me show you a super cool way on how you can compare the two. Now, guys, if you have Helium 10 Atomic connected to your account, you're going to have this. If you don't have Helium 10 Atomic connected, you might not be able to see data on this. So click on the ads tab of your keywords or products. Now it's going to show those same keywords that I've been tracking in the other views. But now all of a sudden here to the right, I have tons of columns all with data that it's going to go ahead and show me. For example, how many campaigns got at least one impression with this keyword? Right? And I can see, wow, I've got 4 campaigns that have the word coffin shelf in it. How many phrase campaigns, how many phrase targets did I have? I've got 0 for all of my keywords. How many keywords, how many broad campaigns did I get impressions on these keywords? What about auto campaigns? Did I show up or get any clicks for an auto campaign that had this keyword? It'll show me here. How many units did I sell in the last 14 days or whatever time period I can choose? I can pick like the last 30 days. It's going to tell me how many units I sold from an ad based on this keyword during this time period. So you can see here on coffin shelf during this time period, I sold 5 units and had $240 worth of sales. What was my PPC spend? It's not that great. I actually had to spend $184 to get these $240 of sales. How many clicks did I have for this keyword? Oh my goodness gracious. In the last 30 days for the word coffin shelf, I got 385 PPC clicks. What was my cost per click? What was my click-through rate? What was my conversion rate? What was my ACoS? What's my ROAS? So this is super, super cool, guys. Also, it's showing me how many impressions. Look at that. I had 25,000 PPC impressions across all my campaigns in this time period for this keyword on this product. So it's really, really cool information here. One kind of like secret thing I want you to show you guys, click this graph next to each of the keywords. And now I can graph different things. Like maybe I want to graph my sponsored rank versus my PPC sales. Like I got certain PPC sales on certain days, and I want to see, hey, did my rank change after I got some certain sales? Maybe I want to compare my sponsored rank to my cost per click. Okay. So like, for example, this cost per click is green. It was kind of low here, like 29 cents. But look here, what happened to my rank? It wasn't that low, but right after I lowered my bid, look what happened to my sponsored rank. It actually started going down. All right. When I raised my bid, look, my sponsored rank went up. So these are super cool things that I can go ahead and graph. I can even do my conversion rate, my ACoS, and now I can all of a sudden start understanding what is the correlation between certain metrics in Amazon advertising with my organic and sponsored ranks. So again, the thing that you can take action on, either proactively or reactively, is comparing your keyword ranks to what is going on in Amazon advertising. So make sure, guys, if you have Helium 10 Atomic activated, you are taking a look at this tab so that you can compare your ranks to what is going on in Amazon advertising. Now, guys, this is a new version of Keyword Tracker. This is one of our oldest tools, and I'm sure there's a lot of new features that you would like to see that maybe we don't have yet. If there's something that I didn't talk about in this set of videos here, feel free to reach out to customer support at Helium 10. Let us know, what would you like? What would make your life easier in Keyword Tracker? But I'm sure you'd agree with me, even as is, this is the most robust Keyword Tracker ever created for Amazon sellers. So make sure you are taking advantage of all these data points, because it could literally mean money in your pocket based on the actions that you take. Happy selling, everybody.